In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopee promotion cannot be redeemed issue. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so some of the common reasons for this error. So promotion expired or fully redeemed. So this voucher may have expired or reached its redemption limit. Account eligibility. Some promotions are exclusive to new users only or specific user segments. The minimum spend not met. So ensure your cart meets the minimum spend requirement for the voucher. Product or seller restrictions. Certain vouchers are only applicable to specific products or sellers. And the last one here, technical glitches. So app bugs or outdated versions can prevent voucher redemptions. So these are some of the common reasons for that error. So now here are some troubleshooting steps. So check voucher details, review the voucher's terms and conditions to ensure eligibility. Also, an outdated app can cause issues. Try updating or reinstalling the app. If the app isn't working, try redeeming the voucher via Shopee's website in an incognito browser window. Also, sometimes just waiting 24 to 40 hours before attempting to use the voucher again can help. Now, if none of these steps above work, reach out to Shopee's customer service through the app.